So now we are going to start the session which is based on reinforcement learning. Okay. So reinforcement learning is a third type of machine learning. Okay. Previously we done with the supervised and unsupervised. Supervised, which totally we need to depends on the label data. Unsupervised is like we need to depends on label data, unlabeled data, and also we need to depends on clustering. क्लस्टरिंग इज सिंपल है ना, एक बंच ऑफ डेटा को अपन उसको ग्रुपिंग में डिवाइड करेगी, ठीक है। जो भी अपना बंच ऑफ डेटा रहता है ना, लाइक सपोज 100 ऑफ डेटा आर देयर, वी नीड टू डू व्हाट, वी नीड टू categorize, we need to classify the all the data into different groups, है ना। So now we need to jump to the reinforcement learning, guys. So the reinforcement learning is very clear and very simple one. To really understand agent and environment, it is a communication between two terms. The terms are agent and environment. So let's go with the reinforcement learning. So there's a two terms, one is an agent, another one is an environment, ठीक है। So पहले ये क्या होता है मैं आपको समझाऊंगा, then I will take some real time example, and within that example I will going to tell you in the easy clarification way, right? So एक agent है, ठीक है, एक agent, there is an agent. Now guys, just a minute. Okay, so it's very clear, guys. Agent is there and environment. आई वॉन्ट टू टेल वन थिंग, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है ना, एक एजेंट रहेगा, वो एक एक्शन परफॉर्म करेगा, उस एक्शन को लेके उसको द एक्शन इज गोइंग टू टेकन बाय द एनवायरनमेंट, एंड एनवायरनमेंट इज गोइंग टू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज एक्चुअली हैपनिंग इन द एक्शन, right? So whenever an agent is going to do perform certain things or certain tasks, here this agent is doing certain task. Okay, the task is done by agent. Now thing is what, the thing is very clear. So the task is done by an agent. Okay, the task is based on that this task whatever is done by an agent, it is in the form of any action, ठीक है। एक एक्शन है जो परफॉर्म कर रहा है हमारा एजेंट. एजेंट विल बी अ यूजर, और आई कैन से इट शुड बी अ, और इट शुड बी अ रोबोट, ठीक है। इन टर्म्स ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग वी कॉल इट एज यूजर. In terms of machine language, we call it as robot, right? So now an user or any robot is going to perform certain action, okay? So the role of agent is what? To performing any action. Got it? Now the role of environment. Environment is going to receive the action. Whatever the action is done by agent, the environment is going to receive the action. Okay? Now coming to the environment, there's a two points are there. ठीक है, outcomes. The action should be a positive or it should be a negative. ठीक है, how machine is going to understand it is a positive or it is a negative action? Everything is based on agent action, है ना। So got it? A positive रहा, suppose my environment got the positive response, environment is going to give the result, or I can say rewards to the machine, to the agent. Environment is going to send these things to the machine agent, ठीक है। एनवायरमेंट जो रहेगा वो रिजल्ट और रिवॉर्ड शेयर करेगा एजेंट को. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ, इफ यू आर गेटिंग, if environment is getting positive action, positive response, rewards. If environment is getting negative action, environment is going to give you the negative rewards. So one by one we will going to understand this term, ठीक है। तो अभी सपोज एजेंट का रोल क्या था, agent is going to perform any action. So for example, this agent did positive one, environment received positive action, right? Now the role of environment is going to receive the positive feedback, ठीक है, or I can say rewards. Got it? This is all about positive. Now if action is done negative, अगर action ही आपका negative हुआ, if action is done negative, environment is going to give the feedback or rewards in negative way, until and unless agent is going to perform positive action. बहुत simple है. Once agent give the positive action, environment is going to give you the positive feedback. Once agent is going to give you the negative action, until and unless agent need to provide the positive, environment is also going to give you the negative. जब तक आप पॉजिटिव नहीं दो कहोगे तब तक एनवायरनमेंट भी आपको नेगेटिव रिवॉर्ड्स ही दे पाएगा. गॉट इट. सिंपल एग्जांपल लेट्स टेक इन द मूवी ऑफ पीके. पीके की जो मूवी थी, राइट, है ना, पीके का जो मूवी था, पीके मूवी. इन पीके मूवी, कमिंग टू माय एक्शन, आमिर खान इज अ हीरो, राइट. The person Amir Khan is an sorry, agent is not an action. He's an agent. Amir Khan is an agent in the PK movie. He did certain action. What type of action he did? What type of action he did? What type of action? He shows Gandhi ji photo to the shopkeeper. उसने गांधी जी का फोटो शॉपकीपर को दिखाया था, राइट. सो इन द मूवी व्हाट इज द सिनेरियो? He saw so many pupils are giving money to the shopkeeper, and shopkeeper pupils are giving back certain carrots, right? So now this fellow Amir Khan was he was only understand about the one thing. He was not understanding about the money. He was understanding about the Gandhiji photo. Why? Because the Gandhiji photo is highlighting in the money. Got it? So that thing was captured by the Amir Khan, and he was stored in the brain, and he was giving the Gandhiji photo, and he was collecting from so many sources, like from newspaper, from posters, from wall, every places he was collecting, and he was giving to the shopkeeper. Now he was expecting, he was expecting, he was expecting what? Positive response, right? So now, as an agent, our Amir Khan did certain action, right? उसने एक्शन कर दिया, खत्म. एक्शन करने के बाद he will going to, what type of action did? Negative. He shows Gandhi ji photo, not money, right? So environment, who is the environment? Shopkeeper surrounded pupil. Shopkeeper will be a one. The second one should be a surrounding people. We don't know how many pupils are there. They will going to observe, and they will going to give you the I can say they will going to observe the scenario, and they will going to give you the feedback, right? What type of feedback is going to deploy by the environment? What type of feedback? It should be a negative. Why? Because agent is doing the negative thing, है ना. अगर आप एज एन एजेंट मैं ही अगर गलत काम कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे को एनवायरमेंट लाइक सराउंडिंग पीपल इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू गिव मी द नेगेटिव रिस्पॉन्स, राइट. until unless whenever until unless I will going to do the positive one, till that time I will going to get the negative response only, right? So this thing you need to understand. So reinforcement learning is very clear, guys. It is all about depends on the two terms, that is agent and environment. क्लियर है? समझ गए? कोई एक्शन परफॉर्म कर रहा है एजेंट, है ना, उस एक्शन को रिसीव करेगा टू वे में, नेगेटिव रिस्पॉन्स और पॉजिटिव में वो एक्सेप्ट करेगा रिक्वेस्ट को, और रेस्पॉन्स भी वो पॉजिटिव रहा तो ही विल गोइंग टू गिव यू द पॉजिटिव फीडबैक, राइट. अगर आप नेगेटिव कुछ करें तो ही विल गोइंग टू गिव यू द नेगेटिव फीडबैक. एवरीथिंग इज बेस्ड ऑन द two terms, agent and environment. Got it, guys? Very clear hai? Reinforcement learning is very clear. It said that it depends on only the two tasks, right? Got it? So I hope you all are understand in the clear way, right? If you are having any doubt, you can do the comment in the comment section, right? So chalo, let's meet to the another class. Chalo, guys, then good night. See you. Tata. Okay, chalo, bye.